Hey creatives, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something very serious, very important, maybe even life-changing. Christmas gifts ideas for artists. I divided this list into art supplies under 20 euro, over 20 euros, and final category I like to call it miscellaneous magic, basically all the useful things artists love but never think to buy. And before we start, small note. Some of the items I show were sent to me for free in the past, but I only included things I've used a ton and genuinely recommended. So if it's in this video, it's because I like it, use it, and occasionally whisper to it like the Victorian poet. Alright, let's jump in. By the way, my name is Luigi, also known on social media as illustrazionidilut, and in this channel I'm talking about art supplies, my own art journey, so subscribe it if you like this kind of stuff. The first item I want to show you today is this Pilot Kakuno, which is a fountain pen for the new future generation of writers. It is the entry-level fountain pen by Pilot, and it comes with this very cute nib, which comes also in different colors and shapes. They come with a fine or medium nib, I believe also extra fine, but consider the Japanese one are normally thinner than European. The ink flow is extremely smooth and it makes it very pleasant for new writers to start using this medium. Nevertheless, it's perfect also for more adult artists, like for example me. The ink cartridge comes within and is not waterproof. Speaking about pen, I also have this Ints for You, is a roundabout rollerball pen by Ferris Wheel Press. The brand is well known in this channel because I'm ambassador of it. It's a Canadian ink brand mainly, but they also produce rollerball pen and fountain pen in different versions. This one is the entry level. It's made out of plastic, extremely light, comes in many colors. They are matched within the ink of the same color, but you can use it with whatever ink suitable for fountain pen. I like them for the ink flow and they are lightweight as well. Making this video, I thought about general artists, what do I enjoy the most? And for sure graphite pencil are on top of the list. This particular set by Faber-Castell is made out of 6-bit graphite matte pencil, which means they are not as reflective as normal graphite pencil. So you can forget about those ugly reflection or your pencil drawing with these ones. Also they achieve extremely dark tones up to 14B. In the set you have up to 12B though. In this sketchbook spread on mine you can see on the left a normal pencil and on the right one the matte ones. Consider only that they are a bit more difficult to erase, but they don't smudge and they are pretty reliable. A small price by a top brand, so this could be a perfect gift option for your Christmas. And speaking about pencil, I have this one also to suggest you, but I'm gonna speak about this in a moment because it's a little bit more pricey than 20 euro. Let's keep it in a low price range now, and so I want to show you about sketchbook. I'm talking about most general artists, so mixed media artists, they must enjoy this kind of sketchbook. They are very famous on the internet. They comes in 140 grams per square meter page, which is a bit thinner, honestly. So I wouldn't buy this for watercolor artists specifically, but for those who like to mess up with different mediums like me, for example, ink or pencil or markers, these all works pretty well on these pages. It's a kind of a creamy color, so this might be also not your favorite. The price range here is extremely low, so you can buy whatever size you like. I like the square formats, I like the small A5 format. If you want a mixed media, which is also available for watercolor and ink washes like this, then you want to use this Ohuhu spiral block, which comes in lots of pages, quite thicker, talking about 200 grams per square meter, a much whiter color, very suitable for watercolor as you see in this portrait. Spiral block is not my favorite option, but this one was really enjoyable to be used. You see me here working with markers, gouache, ink, watercolor. I really text them all. So with this you go really on the safe side. Now we entering the Truly Love You price range, or the I Panic Bought this on December 23rd price range. These are popular all over the internet nowadays, so might be a very safe choice and appreciated. It's called acrylic gouache by Holbein. Consider they also produce normal gouache, but acrylic one is waterproof after drying. They have several sets. They are quite pricey. That one was the small one with primary color, but you have different one. Other option is this one that in my opinion has a better packaging. It's called Turner acrylic gouache. Might be a little bit more difficult to find, but they are basically the same thing from different brands. They are both Japanese brands, originally from Osaka. If something you buy is Japanese, speaking about supplies at least, you are sure that it's 100% extreme high quality. And honestly, I just keep this on my shelf because I like to watch this beautiful packaging. Now back to our pencil. Derwent Inktense pencil are, as the name suggests, made out of ink-based pencil. So they are not oil-based or wax-based pencil. Highly versatile water-soluble pencil which create vivid ink-like color when combined with water. Their price range is about €2 each, so this one is a little bit more than 20. I use them for this fox drawing. As you see, there is also a complete swatch on the left. In my opinion, they are extremely vibrant colors and they are perfect to be used with a mix of wet and dry technique. Speaking about popular art supplies, how not to mention Ohuhu alcohol markers. If you're a newbie, please check that they are alcohol-based because now they are popular also the acrylic-based marker and water-based marker, but they behave completely different. This comes in many different sets. You have always a piece of paper that you can swatch the color on because they look different from the cap. The one I show you here is the skin color set, and this one is the plus color set. That means they have a plus brush tip. This is a brand new brush tip, extremely flexible. They introduced this year, 2025. Artists normally enjoy this kind of tip, so avoid to buy the a bit cheaper set that are made out of fine tip and chisel tip, but go for the brush tip and chisel tip. Something I personally don't like is that you need so many colors for alcohol markers. They blend them well, but if you want to make a different tones, it's not like a watercolor, you cannot dilute, you have to have the next color on the scale. So you end up buying tons of these sets. Not my favorite medium, but again, I'm talking about what is more popular out there to make you aware that the artists like those stuff. Nevertheless, I made out drawings that I really like, and the results is extremely bright and vivid color. This is, by the way, a block from Ohuhu made out of marker pad. It's not bleeding through because all the other type of paper bleed through, so that could be a nice extension of a gift. Rising a little bit in price, I want to suggest you this oil-based pencil set by Ohuhu. It comes in 72 colors. Also new entry of this year. I personally don't use color pencil extensively, so I cannot compare them with other famous brands like Faber-Castell or Derwent. But based on my personal experience and the review I saw online, they are pretty good, also for the price you pay. Also, the set is extremely beautiful, and honestly, I don't like the plastic thing, it's extremely thin, but the pencil quality is very satisfying to be used, and the packaging itself is great for a gift, in my opinion. Remember the Canadian ink brand I mentioned before? This is Ferris Wheel Press, and it comes in so many different color of inks. Most of them have sparkling glitter inside, so you can mix them to activate those ink, or you can let them rest a little bit and you are gonna use then the ink flow as it is without glittering. The packaging are stunning, I don't have to mention that. Be caution with this kind of ink. If it's calligraphy ink, it means it's acrylic, so it cannot go in fountain pen. They clog them. Calligraphy ink can be only used with dip pen or brush. Fountain and rollable pen come in that version I showed you before, that is the entry level. This is a bit premium version, it's aluminum, but it's basically the same. The nib is better and the material are better. And then we have, of course, even higher level of fountain pen. This is the version from Ferris wheels, but you have many fountain pen from many brands. It's a great gift that lasts forever, so this could be really a very nice present you want to do. Specifically from Ferris Wheel Press, I mentioned before I'm ambassador, so I have a discount code 15% by looking in the description of the video. Their inks comes in 3 different types of format. One is the squared format, the bigger bottle. Then we have the smaller bottle version. I believe there is also a smallest one. And finally, the acrylic ink version. Now we arrive to miscellaneous artist stuff. The fun part, the things artists don't think of buying, but once they have them, they become obsessed with. And this rotating organizer is just that type of stuff, in my opinion. I don't have a specific brand for you. You may find something similar to this. It's a really big capacity of pen and pencil, and perfect for people like me that don't have that much space. Next is this board. You can call it moon board, I believe, or like I use this to put some stuff when I have ideas, and is a board, magnetic one from IKEA. I believe there is even a bigger or smaller version of it. It has been useful, even if I'm mostly a sketchbook artist, so I don't have that much stuff that I can hang up. But I use it if I want, for example, to focus on something I want to work in the future. Next is the thing I'm using mostly to record these videos on YouTube, and this is the gooseneck phone holder. Even a headphones holder, as you see. I want to suggest this specific one. It's called Lamicol because it's extremely robust. Believe me, I had other ones in the past and they broke after few months. This one I'm using, I think, at least 3 years now. The arm is not extremely long, which is the main drawback in my opinion, but super robust. I mean, I squeeze it and I move it every time, and there is no sign of break. Last but not least, I want to mention something that helps artists not to get blind while making their art, and is a lamp. You can buy a fancy design or an expensive lamp. This one was around about 30 euros, and it's kind of versatile. You can have normally at least the 3 light option you see, so cool, warm and neutral, with different light intensity. Depending on the setup of your artist friend, this might be really useful. But now it's up to you. If you have nice Christmas gift ideas for artists, drop in the comment below. I thank you for watching, and I see you in the next one. Bye.